Number 3, negative 2 x raised to 0, y raised to negative 2, all over 4y raised to 3, x raised to 2, all of it will be raised to negative 2. For this one, we will start by first using the zero exponent rule. We know that if any number or any variable is raised to 0, it will be equal to 1. So x raised to 0 will become 1. Next, we will also use the negative exponent rule. Now, if you have here a raised to negative m, it will be 1 all over a raised to m. So here, we will now write it as negative 2 times 1 will be still negative 2. And then the y raised to negative 2 will go down. So it will be 4y raised to 3, x raised to 2, and then y raised to positive 2 raised to negative 2. Next, we can see that 2 and 4 have common factor, that is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here we can also use the product rule, where a raised to m times a raised to n, it is equal to a raised to m plus n. And this will, well, that will be a raised to m plus n. We can apply that to y raised to 3 times y raised to 2. And so we're gonna have 1 all over 2 y raised to 3 plus 2, that will be 5. And x raised to 2, that will still be x raised to 2, raised to negative 2. For this one, we will use again the negative exponent rule. We will consider all of this as our a. And our exponent negative 2 will be our m. So we will use it again this way. And so it will become, um, so it will become 1 all over 1 all over 2y raised to 5, x raised to 2. All of this will be raised to positive 2. Let's clear some space. Okay, so with that, we will first simplify what is in the denominator. Now we have here 1 all over that will be 1 all over 1 squared all over, we have 2 raised to 2, y raised to, this will be 5 times 2, that will be 10, and this will be x raised to 4. Okay, so 1 squared is still 1, and it will now be 1 all over 2 raised to 2, y raised to 10, x raised to 4. Now using the reciprocal um, rule or reciprocal, we can see here 1 all over a all over b. This will be equivalent to b all over a. And so this will now be equivalent to 2 raised to 2, x raised to 4, y raised to 10, or it will be 4 x raised to 4, y raised to 10. And that will be our final answer.